Welcome back. This is LetsRollQ. We are going to do a quick unboxing of the Gaomon pen display. It's a tablet for drawing. I already had a cheaper model. The name is the Gaomon M10K. That's the one that I had before. I was happy with it, but I needed something that I can actually see when I'm drawing with the pen, instead of looking at the monitor every time I was trying to do something. So I got this one. Now I tried for a little bit, so it's already open. I'm just gonna do a little quick unboxing so you can see how it came boxed in, and then we're gonna go through a little bit of a review of my experience for the last week, 2 weeks using it. So I've been using it quite a bit. It's pretty easy. So I'm gonna unbox this. So this is the box. So I don't know if it's gonna be able to put it here. It's too close to the TV, but that's the Gaomon pen display. That's the information right there. Oh, that's the model, PD1161. So like I said, I'm gonna quick unboxing because I already unboxed the device. So let me get this out of this box first. So that's how it came from Amazon, because I ordered through Amazon. They had a special at the time. So this is the box that it comes in. Pen display PD1161. This is the pen, this is the display, it has the buttons in there. Then you pull this up, but let me show you the back first. And that's the back with the specifications on the bottom. Let's see if I can show that right there. Okay, so that's the brand right there, Gaomon. I don't know if I'm saying it right. This is how it came. The tablet's on top. Okay, take the tablets. Let me remove the other stuff. This is how this all the stuff came. We have the pen. We have the instructions. This right here. The download for the program, because you have to get the driver into your computer to be able to use it. This is a glove, just like the other Gaomon that I have. It came with a glove too. This is the connection for the power. Oh, did I show you the glove? Right there, the glove. This is the connection for the power, connection for the computer, HDMI. You connect it to the computer and to the power. This is the extension for the power, the adapter, and this is where the pen goes and rests. If you open this, oops, sorry. If you open this, if I can do it easy, there you go. It comes with all the tips in there. Go, all the pen tips. You can twist it, close it. That's what got in here. Nothing in the bottom, it's clear. Okay, so after that, you have the tablet. But first, we're gonna connect this. So this is the cable for the power. Let's see if I'm doing it. Oh yeah, I see. Okay, so these two things right here, three, you have to match with those things right there. There you go. And then this to take it off, you press this, that right there, and then you twist it. It comes out. And then when you put it back in, that thing makes a click sound. Take this off. That's the power cable. Comes with a little Velcro thingy. So now this, you'll grab the cable here, and it has this connection right here. Goes with the other side, and then you have to find the place it goes and then twist it, and it won't come out. It will stay together. The tablet comes in first this bag. Okay, this looks like this because I already removed it. So this you have to remove. It has a little sticker, so make sure you're only removing the cover plastic, this piece. Don't remove the cover that comes with the tablet. This is another cover on top to protect the screen. So there's another layer thicker than this that protects your tablet. So do not remove that one. Just this one right here. See how thin it is? See? So you remove this whole thing. I'm showing you so you know how thin it is. Okay. So you remove that. Then you have the tablet. Okay. So then on the tablet you're gonna do some connections. Let me see. Okay. So at the end of the cable, so you have two ends. So one is 3 cables that goes to computer and power. Then you have it becomes into 2 cables. So from 3 it goes into 2. Those 2 cables go into the tablet. So now you're gonna look at the side of the tablet, right side, and you're gonna place one in here. Oops, sorry. Let me make it more visible. So you have those connections there. Okay, so you have one C connection, and you have one HDMI. Okay. Give me a second, because I need to know how the HDMI goes. And it goes all the way in. That's it. Now we find the computer for the USB and the HDMI and the computer, and then you do the power source. Okay, I've been working with my tablet because it's easier, smaller, but I will continue this video connecting it to the computer, which is a desktop computer. Okay, so let me see here. So what we're gonna do is I'm trying to show you. Okay, so we'll connect the power. I'll be off the camera for a little bit. Okay, I just connect the power. So now I'm gonna get these 2. One goes to HDMI computer. I'm trying to figure out how to do this, because my computer is packed with cables. Alright, so I'm gonna disconnect. What could do with disconnect? Okay, I'll disconnect my hard drive. I have external hard drive, so I gotta disconnect that, and I'm gonna place it there. Then for the HDMI, got a cable in the back. Hopefully it doesn't turn off. It's still here. I'm just connecting. We're back. So what I did, I connect the tablet to the CPU, the desktop computer. The only problem is that I had to disconnect my HDMI cable connected to the computer, but I have an old monitor connected to the computer too, so that way I can see what I'm doing here, and I'm able to connect it to a desktop. So we're gonna turn it on first. Okay, you can see there, Gaomon. So now this is displaying as a second monitor. When I have my CPU on my computer, my desktop, I got 2 screens. So right now I'm using the second screen as the first screen, and this Gaomon has become the second display for the desktop computer because I have it connected directly to the back of the HDMI connection that the desktop has with the HDMI cable. Now the other monitor that I have right in front of me, that is connected with the old connection the monitors used to have. I mean, you still see them. It's like with all the little cables. I don't know the name of that right now, but yeah, so it has our connection. Anyways, so now I have the tablet here, right? So it's turned on. I already have in the computer, as you can see in the bottom here, I got a Gaomon settings and Gaomon. I have a let me click on it. Okay, so there you go. So that's the Gaomon settings. Okay, so let me see if I can get it into, if I can bring that into the second display, which is the Gaomon. It's gonna be crazy if I can do this. I don't even know. There you go. Okay, so right now what I'm doing is I'm connecting my monitor with the Gaomon as a second display. So what you see right here is me moving this screen from my display into the Gaomon, so you can see it, for you to see it. I don't have to, but I'm showing you. You don't have to do that when you're using it. Anyway, so these are the settings that I have. That's the pen settings. So you have the pressure testing is right here. Let me see if I can bring this a little closer. Alright, so this side right here is the pressure testing for the pen, so you can see a drawing. And then right here you have the pressure sensitivity. You can adjust that too. And then if you go here, that is the screen. Sorry, the press keys. So you have all this. The keys will be right here. You can see right there. Okay, I already have two of them set up. I'm not using them, but you can set it up to zoom out, zoom in, rotation of the screen. You can do for many things. But I only set two of them for zoom in, zoom out, and rotation. Then you got the settings. In general, you have the language, start menu, open the driver interface. You have backup, the device, about the device. Now in this one you have, sorry, I forgot this one. In this one, the second one, you have the workspace, so you can see my screen or the monitor that I'm using right now. You can see the screen of the Gaomon right here. So I'm working on the Gaomon. If I wanna change it to this one, I will just change it to that one. You see, now I have access to this screen right here, and I can do whatever I want, and I will be using that screen. But right now I'm using this one. So click on this one again, see if I can. Alright, but let me see. What do we do? I'm wondering if I can. I'm using my mouse right there, so you can see my mouse. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so because what happened is, like, I select the screen and this on the left side, and then I couldn't use my pen on the tablet because I'm using the screen on the left side. So I use my mouse to move it back in here. So there you go, because that's what I want to use. Anyway, so that's the settings. Now, what I'm gonna do is I need to open the. So you can get different free programs if you want. I had a sketchbook. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna transfer the sketchbook right here. There you go. So you can see it. So the sketchbook. This is the last thing that I did. So it's saved as the last thing. It's open the last file that I had. So this is the last design that I was doing. So I used the Gaomon for designing things for shirts, mostly. I like to draw and paint color too, but I'm designing shirts lately. So with Amazon, by the way. Okay, so you had this here. So now you can go on the tab. It looks a little bit clearer in there, but you go on the tab here, and then you can open new sketch, open, save a copy, export preferences. So you can do new sketch, and it will go all blank, right? And then you can do whatever you want in here to draw. Like this sketchbook is all out of date already. They stopped making it available, so it's done. So I'm gonna have to get another program for the computer, the tablet to work on. But right now I have this here. I mean, it works good for me as long as it works. But I'll find another program to use. So this one has all the options, colors, brushes, effects, erasers, text, everything you want to do with it. So I'm going to show you something very quick. So if I'm drawing, so a triangle right there, I don't know, I want to do a mountain, whatever. So you can see is like, is where you put the pens. It's just little, like, very it's not like a big distance between the pen point of the right here to the screen, but it does have a little disconnection. It has a little distance in between, so sometimes you can see that it's not totally on top of it. And it happened to me once already that I was drawing and it was too much of a difference. So what I did, I went and researched in Google to see how to fix that calibration. And one of the things says get rid of your desktop, the bar that you have in the bottom with all the programs open and choices. So I hide that one when no one use, and it actually made the point of this on the screen a little bit more accurate. But I know there's something about calibration too that you could do, or you can do, to improve the connection between the pen and the tablet to make it more accurate. So yeah, so this is the Gaomon. So like you can see, the cables to the computer. I will tell you that I feel more comfortable drawing it, connecting it to the tablet, to a laptop. Because I don't have to disconnect any monitors like I'm doing right now. Right now I'm off one monitor, so it's more portable on a laptop. Just make sure you have a HDMI connection and a C connection. HDMI and a USB connection to connect the tablet to it. And then you have to connect the tablet to the power too. So just have that in mind when you do that. Oh, this is where you rest the pen. You can see right there. So yeah, so if you have, I tried to do this as concise as I could, not to make it last too much for too long. But if you have any questions, please let me know. Any comments on it, let me know too. I'm gonna be showing and making more videos about using this tablet so you guys can see how it works. But please like, share, and subscribe. That will help my channel. And if you have any questions, please let me know so I can answer and we can share information. So this is the Gaomon tablet, and I repeat, this is the pen display PD1161 if you're interested. I got this one on Amazon. Right now I'm trying to work on my followers, so if I get enough followers, I'm trying to hit 500 followers. If I get 500 followers, then I'm able to do a link connection for my reviews on the stuff that I have, so I can put a link on it. You just click on it and you will be directed to Amazon. So please help me out, subscribe, so I can connect this to Amazon, and then that way it will be faster for you to find the products that I'm reviewing here. So like, share, subscribe. This is LetsRollQ signing out. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.